How to cancel an order on Instacart. To cancel an Instacart order, first of all, go ahead and launch your favorite browser and then head to the official site of the Instacart. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome, but you can also use the official app of the Instacart itself on your device, which you can find from the Google Play stores or even app stores. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is tap on these three horizontal lines on the top left corner, then open this side panel. Head to this Your Orders option. You should be able to find your ongoing order over here. Go ahead and tap on that specific order. Then you should be able to find Cancel Order or Cancel This Order option on the bottom of the page, or at the bottom of the order details. A prompt will appear asking for a reason. Select your reason and then hit confirm button and you should be good to go. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.